Today we get to play the Feed the Monster game. This is such a fun game, and you can do this game with anything you have at home. This is a wipes container that got decorated, but you can use any kind of bin or box you have at home. Your kiddo could be the one to decorate it. Could be lots of fun. And then I just saved tops from milk cartons to make into the cookies. And again, you could cut paper, you could use anything you have. But for today, you don't need any of those materials because you're gonna do it with the video. Are you ready to go? All right, we're gonna see how quickly we can say the sounds of these letters. So you don't have to tell me the name of it, you're just gonna say the sound. And I have Ella here to help us out, okay? Are we ready? Here we go. All right, my friends first. What sound? Say it fast. All right, Ella, what sound? Excellent. Let's feed it to him. Say it with me. Munch, munch, crunch, crunch.
Can I read the next one too?
What sound? Say it with them, Ella. Whoa. Feed it to the monster. Munch, munch, crunch, crunch, crunch. Say the sound. Do it, Ella. Feed it to that monster. You guys help me munch and crunch here. Munch, 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 munch. Say that sound. Go ahead, Ella. Oh, it's an A.
It's
It's hard to see from our angle, I know. Ready? Munch, 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 munch. Say it, friends. What's the sound, Ella? Or what sound does C make? All right, let's go fast. Say the sound, friends. You say it, Ella. Feed that monster.
Don't get my
Friends, say it. You say it, Ella. Feed it. All right, my friends, say it. And Ella, you're looking at it in reverse, so it's like. What sound is it, Ella? Duh.
But where you are is great.
I know. In our video, you're looking at it in reverse. Ready? Crunch, 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 crunch. Say the sound, friends. Here we go. Ella, say it with us. Feed that monster. I need to hear you say it super loudly at home. Here we go. All right, here we go. Say the sound, friends. Ella, say it with me.
Yeah.
Feed that monster. Oh, what sound, friends? Ella, say it with me. Feed it.
At least you don't get my fingers.
What sound, friends? You say it at home. Let's say it, Ella. Go.
Don't.
Crunch, 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 crunch. Say it at home, friends. What sound? Duh. Good job. Feed it. Crunch, 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 crunch. All right, this one's a little hard to see. It's written, but friends at home, what sound? Ella, what sound? Feed it.
I thought that was a T.
I know, it was a tricky looking. Can you stick it in? Stick it in quick. What sound, friends? You say it at home. Ella, say it with me. Feed that monster. Help him munch and crunch. Here's our next one. Friends at home, say it. Let's say it, Ella. Add it in. I want to hear ya. Next one. Friends at home, say it. Ella, you say it. Feed them. Ready? Next one. Friends at home, say it. We'll say it.
Don't get me.
Now this is lowercase. What sound is it, friends? Ready, Ella? Oh, feed him. I gotta hear ya. All right, here's another one. Say it at home. We'll say it. Feed it. All right, just a couple left. Friends at home, say it. Duh. We'll do it. Ah, feed it. Munch, 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 munch. Last Cookie Monster. This is it. Last one. Friends at home, say the sound. Yeah. Feed it. Oh, and I want an extra loud munch and crunch. Here we go. Ah, crunch. Thanks so much for playing the Feed the Monster game with us. Keep practicing those sounds. Say bye.
Bye.